The reason why I'm doing a YouTube video is to show you cream gravy. Cream gravy is easy. It's something I've worked on for a while in order to kind of get it down, get it right. And now it's just boom, it just happens. So yeah, that's it. So I'll show it to you. Because man, you gotta have a little fat put down in the bottom, right? You want to get all that oil that's down in there. Love that. That's the good stuff. All right, so I'm gonna turn the fire down a little bit. And the bacon is good. Not too bad. I'm gonna pull all that, throw it over there. Let it sit for a minute. Get the little bits and bobs out. Ain't no big deal. Now, for the gravy, that's what you want. That's what I'm looking for. So, I'm gonna take that. It ain't really a science. I mean, it is. I'm sure it is. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in probably, looked like I had about 3 tablespoons of oil in there, so I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons of flour. Where's my spatula? There it is. So then, I'm going to stir that. I got the fire off right now because the oil is hot. So I'm going to stir that into the oil. I'm looking for it to kind of, not really clump up, but just kind of see what happens, and I'll tell you. Yeah, see, it's kind of, it's not really liquid, it's not really solid, it's just kind of a mush. So that's what I'm looking for right there. See how it's nice and smooth? See how it's like smooth like that? I like that. I like that. So I'm going to take it off the fire a little bit. Then I'll come grab me some black pepper. Now I'm cooking right now. You know, I'm not mixing in the milk or anything, so I'm going to be a little liberal with the black pepper. The same thing with kosher salt. I like the coarse kosher salt. Breaks down nice. I mean, just with everything. Yeah, I shouldn't probably do it like this, but I'm going to. When you mix it in now, when we're just doing this, it breaks down nice. Mix it in later, and it'll be salty or peppery or something like that. So I put it in right after I do my oil and my flour. And I'm going to kind of heat this up. Not crazy, just, you know, fire just low like that. Just enough to kind of keep it moving. Might knock it up a little bit. And then kind of want to brown it up just a little bit. Not burn it. If you burn it, yeah, that's okay. It's part of learning. You really don't want to burn it. The key to a good gravy is you just got to keep moving it. Make it everything kind of thoroughly mixed at this point, which is pretty thoroughly mixed. But you keep moving it. When you stop moving it, it'll stick to the bottom of the pan. Everything will start separating. It's not going to be cool. Okay, so I kind of like that, right? So we're all nice and mixed in. Look, so I pull that across. That's nice. That's nice. Now what are we going to do? Next is easy. Next we come to our fridge. Grab our whole milk. Now, I'm not going to go crazy what I got. Okay, I'll probably put about a little under a quarter gallon in there. What I have, 3 tablespoons of bacon drippings, 3 tablespoons of, you know, kind of heaping tablespoons of flour. I got about a quarter gallon of milk. Now I'm going to take my spatula, I'm going to push it down on the bottom and just rub on the bottom. Rub the bottom. And it's going to be all like that. Nothing big. I like a slotted spatula. I kind of move it back and forth, up and down like that. Up and down like that. Pull everything off your sides. Just keep it all moving. Now you can turn around a cream gravy about that quick. As long as it takes to do the bacon, that's about your biggest thing. The cream gravy is actually not that hard. Once this milk starts warming up, that flour is going to get in there and start thickening. And as this gravy starts heating up, we don't want to get too crazy with the fire. Yeah, not too crazy with the fire. You can kind of start kicking that fire up a little bit to make it go a little bit quicker. There we go. So now that gravy's starting to thicken up. And you can feel it on the bottom. Almost feels like a film on the bottom. I really can't show you because it's a feel. As I run my spatula across it, it's almost like a film on the bottom, like I'm knocking it off. And actually, if I push it up, you'll see the film on the end of the. See there? That means you're getting there. Getting there, getting there, getting there. It'll get thick real quick. So I'm gonna turn my fire all the way down. And we're getting thick quick now. See what? Look at that. So now look at that. That's the consistency you're looking for right there. Oof. See all the spices and all that kind of stuff? Yeah. That's just salt, pepper, and whatever came off of that bacon. Alrighty, man, that stuff, look at that. It's almost like butter now. That's what you're looking for. And that, my friends, is a good, hold on, let me check. Oop, oop, that's hot. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna be honest with you, need a little bit more salt. I could have just sat here and gone, But the truth is, if you are following what I'm doing and you just did what I did, and you're gonna taste it and you're gonna go, that boy's crazy, needs more salt. Now here, we don't put a lot of salt in. We're just gonna touch the salt on, because this is an after the fact now. There's a before the fact and an after the fact. Before the fact, like I said, before you start mixing the milk in, all those flavors start working together, and they'll do pretty good. So you can just put in a little, you can put in more to kind of get it to kick out. After, you can put in too much salt real quick, because it's going to stand on top. Now I'm also putting this on mashed potatoes and chicken, like I said, so I kind of want it to be a little bit thicker. I'll take the fire off. Big deal is get that fire off. Oh yeah, that's a little bit better. Got a little salty kick. Not bad, just good. And that, my friends, is a cream gravy. Please, I apologize for any camera work. Again, I'm always a little bad on that one. I'm going to try to get off the cell phone and start to, man, I've got GoPros in there and Canons and Mavic Pros and all kinds of fun stuff. And like I said, I always grab my cell phone. So thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. If you do, please like it and subscribe. I would love to have more subscribers. Somebody that, I do stupid crap like this during the day all the time. I'm always cooking. I'm always building something, doing something, and love to have people pay attention. So, cheers, peace.